1984 Pontiac Trans Am here at Unique Specialty and Classics. CC1 code. So T-top car, as you can see, and one of my favorite color combinations in this body style, the black with the gold. Tan interior really sets it off. All right, underneath the hood, that 5-liter high output V8. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front nose or front fascia. You can see that black paint has a nice reflection and a good shine. It's black. You're going to find a few spots where maybe there's been a little touch up, just a little pebble chip or what have you, and then there is a little scuff right there on the top of that front fascia. All right, still pictures. So you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk or cargo area. Those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see it with the T-tops in, T-tops out. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Awesome looking Pontiac wheel. This car's got 80s written all over it. Great look. All right, let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. I did notice too, this will come with the original owner's manual, like the showroom brochure, some cool paraphernalia as far as literature and what have you that will go along with this too. So cloth bucket seat interior, center console. We're going to get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. As far as the gaskets, you can see what kind of shape those are in, look good. Now it will come with the GM Fisher body storage bags for the T-tops, and then it also has, I believe this is an aftermarket one, that's an incredible bag and storage bag for them. Probably one of the nicer, most heavy duty ones I've seen. It'll also come with a gold car cover. Nice soft one that will go on this one, fit very nicely. And a little scuff back here in the corner and a little bit of spider webbing. That rear bumper, it's kind of tough to get it to show up. It's pretty minimal. And a few scuffs kind of right by where the trunk release is with the keyhole. Now, I can show you in here also a quick second. Technician noted that the struts will need to be replaced to hold up this deck lid. There's a little bit of weight there with the glass and the deck lid itself. You can see the privacy cover that will pull out. Cover the rear back, and there's that T-top storage bag. Those would have been the factory ones that would have came with it. Once again, all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, a few notes from the technician on this one. Mentioned the AC didn't blow cold. It has been converted though from the R12 to the 134A, and the compressor and the clutch will kick on and off. Power windows do work. T-tops are in great shape. You're going to see that in the still pictures. Take a look at those. Power mirrors work. Brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. I mentioned the brochure, owner's manual, some of the miscellaneous paperwork and stuff that'll go with it. He also mentioned stereo is in op. Exhaust with catalytic converters is still on it, and some typical powertrain seats. Tell you what, if you like these Trans Ams, no matter what year, or maybe just like 80s cars in general, either way, no matter what you're into, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. All right. Also forgot to mention, listen to this. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. Actual mile car, 49,211 is all. May explain why the paint looks so good. All right, door panels, also in nice shape. Seating surfaces, I love this color with the black and then that gold exterior. Couple wear spots, lower bolster and upper on the seat. So a couple wear spots there. Other than that, interior, nice shape. Headliner looks good. You know, sometimes it can separate on those T-top cars. Looks good there. Tilt column, cruise control. Get that key out so you can start it up. Let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. There's the exact miles, 49,211. That is original miles. There's no readings above that on the Carfax. Look at that dash. Tell this thing was stored indoors. Dash is in very nice shape. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Fuel gauge on full, voltmeter, oil pressure, and tack is working. Into focus. Sounds good. Little rumble coming out of that 5-liter high output V8. Hood struts are good and very clean underside of this hood. So should have a little kind of cold air intake set up here with the solenoid. Opening the flap here, and you'd also have intake down here. If you want to see any of the RPO codes, the data tag here, the RPO codes from the center console, go ahead, check it out. Those will be in the still pics. There is a battery disconnect here for when it's in storage and between drives. Like I said, nice, clean, tidy engine bay. '84 Pontiac Trans Am, original model car, T-top car. This will be a fun one, folks. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're taking a ride in the beautiful 1984 Pontiac Firebird. First thought was, what do you get when you cross Knight Rider's kit with Smokey and the Bandits Trans Am? And this is very similar to both. Kit was a 1982, and the colors and heritage of this car are very much similar to Smokey and the Bandit. This car in great condition. Turn signal indicators working, tachometer working, speedometer working. The oil pressure is nice and high, right around 60 to 70 psi. Volts are charging at 14 volts. The fuel gauge is reading full. The temperature gauge has not moved much. It's sitting right about 100. We'll see if that one goes up. There's a little wind noise right in the front of the door glass, as it appears the leather strip has kind of worn away or chipped away. You'll have to take a look at that. In the pictures, beautiful interior. The tan also reminiscent of Knight Rider, and I've got T-tops over my head, glass T-tops. those if you can get them. The coolest, beautiful steering wheel with the Phoenix or Firebird, if you will. Nice leather steering wheel, or the appearance of leather. It's honestly hard to tell. I believe it could be. Automatic right here on the center console. Very comfortable bucket seats. See that honeycomb pattern on the back of the cowl induction style hood? Very Pontiacs, the styling. This car corners nice and flat, accelerates nicely. Very fun cars to drive. This 1989 Pontiac Firebird. Find all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.